All right, guys, day one, back road barbecue, getting every last minute thing packed up, getting ready to leave. But unfortunately, we're not going to take the bike. We're doing one more once over. I just don't trust this thing that much. It's leaking oil way worse than it used to. And I don't really trust it 100%. Haven't really been riding it much. And the tires are like, I think 13 years old, 12 years old, or actually no, 14 and 13. And that front one's about smoked. So I don't trust it. We're gonna leave it here. All right, guys, got the truck loaded down. We're headed on the way. I just didn't really trust that bike that much. In a little over 2 hours, the father-in-law was gonna ride it, and the tires being dry rotted a little bit. It didn't make much sense to take it. I don't think it was worth the hassle. A bike needs to be a little more cared for and ridden more. I've been super busy. So hopefully we'll get that back to the father-in-law and enjoy it a little bit. And it's probably just gonna be an around town bike unless we get a lot of stuff fixed. Being 2 hours away from home in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone service, it's not the most ideal bike. But we're loaded down, about halfway there. So can't wait to get there, set up, and have a good time. All right, we made it. There's the vendor area back there. We got the truck parked up there, but we're focusing on the campsite right now. Setting up camp down here. My parents will probably be here at about the time we're finished up. But we're gonna get all this set up half-assed so I can run and set the booth up. But people are waking up, getting ready. I think it's like 8 a.m. We're gonna get this thing going. All right, finally set up. Got our booth going. Probably won't sell a whole lot for a while, but we got it going. A bunch of badass bikes out here already. Place is definitely getting busy now, packed full of people, having a good time. We're going to do a fire show later. Got the booth set up, ate breakfast. We just watched all the choppers ride on the ride. We're gonna chill, hang out, maybe shower. I don't know. We're gonna have a good time. Still a little hungover. Time to take a shower, get ready for the day. All right, here's a complete view of our campsite. Yeah. Our tent, our friends. We got like one little meetup spot there. Got some more friends back here. Most everyone's still on the ride, so making me a sandwich, getting me some lunch, and gonna get back to the booth. It's only $40 to camp for the weekend. And it's sponsored by PBR, so it's all the free beer you can drink. The largest Yeti I've ever seen.
Turn around in the field, do not put your foot down and come back through.
Time to stop the chopper games.
Oh my goodness.
Guy rode 3,500 miles from Cali to be here.
There you go. Now we're getting it. Come on now.
This is what happens when you get a few cervezas in at the Back Road Barbecue. All right, we're at base camp. All the free beer is gone. Gonna have to commandeer some beer.
I found cookies.
Hell yeah, brother. Mission accomplished.
I'm just putting it back.
Just your average side of the Back Road Barbecue.
Oh no!
Just taking a little nap, a little nippy nap. Oh shit! When the event has free beer, sometimes you just end up on the floor next to your motorcycle. It is what it is. We're doing the best we can, cooking. As intoxicated as we are. Everything will be alright. I promise. Alright, last night, a little fucked up, but we're all having a good time. Cue the shorts. Well, it's the last night. We got the Wretched booth set up, or packed up. For the amount of we had to drink, that's not a bad thing. But we're gonna party a little bit and leave out in the morning. Well, it's time to pack up, go home. Almost everybody's, well, I would say more than half the people before he left. Finally awake, gonna start breaking everything down and getting out of here. And just like that, we're out of here. Had a great time. You only saw like 1% of everything. So if you want to see what really happens at the Back Road Barbecue, you're gonna have to check it out next year.